sushi as a couple for once in our lives. I really love sushi. I kind of got her into it, but she's like still kind of like a fake sushi person. You know, California rolls and such. We're making shrimp tempura. Why? Because I guess
it's my favorite.
Because it's cooked shrimp that's just deep fried. It's actually not anything raw at all. We went out, got all the things we need. Something about, this is sushi rice, so I guess it's stinky rice.
All of our sushi rice ingredients. We have sushi rice. We have the rice vinegar. We're not using actual sugar. We use Truvia, which is just like sugar substitute, so we'll use that. Some salt. Then we have our nori, bamboo rolling mat, some avocado and cucumber that we need to cut. Shrimp, canola oil to fry them. So we got some flour and baking powder, and salt and pepper, cornstarch for the frying stuff. I just found random recipes online that I'm gonna follow because we're not that good at just kind of
the days of the internet.
So I need 2 cups of uncooked rice, sushi rice. And I'm gonna put it in a colander to rinse. Water into a medium saucepan over high heat. Then when it begins to boil, you reduce the heat to low and cover it and cook it for 15 minutes. So I think in the meantime, we will start with the lovely shrimp. We are going to whisk the flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, white pepper, and all together. Our rice is boiling over here, so now I need to reduce heat to low and cover. Alexa, set a 15-minute timer.
15 minutes, starting now.
Drench the shrimp lightly in the mixture and set aside. Oh no, I need a bottle.
I got you. Ready? Coolest thing I've ever done in my life. So now I need to combine 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, and then 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Heat in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds. Transfer the rice to a large bowl in the vinegar mixture. Allow the rice to cool to room temperature. I don't have time for that, so I'm putting it in the fridge for a little bit. Rolling mat, our seaweed, our rice, shrimp tempura, avocado, and cucumber. Under pressure. First time making homemade sushi. But so as you can see, one of them is like really fat. We use the whole roll on that because at first I told her that you're just only supposed to wrap it 1 full rotation and then cut it. But I really don't know which way is the proper way. I've seen it with both. So I'll take the skinnier one. Guess a little bit into soy sauce. I went at it the wrong way because I bent it vertically instead of cross. I mean, it tastes like sushi. It's just The rice is insanely dry.
Oh no.
Well, at least that's what I feel. It's like it's really like the rice. So I don't know how that one's gonna taste. The one with the crazy amount of rice. Once again, I did it the wrong way too. But I do not mind eating this because I do want more.
Appearance wise, it's not the best. Taste wise, 7 out of 10.
Something like that. There's obviously different styles too, because you can make it so the rice is on the outside and the seaweed is on the inside holding all the stuff. Or this, which is the usual, more classic style where it's stuff on the inside, seaweed around it, and then the actual seaweed roll wrapping it. So.
I'm also very hungry, so.
Yeah, it doesn't help. I mean, shit. It tastes like sushi, I mean. Maybe like ShopRite sushi.
Yeah, I think there's too much rice.
On the big one or on the small one, do you think?
Both.
Because they do pack it really thin sometimes. So, I cannot wait to see how this one tastes. I'm also not used to just eating it with just soy sauce. I usually have wasabi and the ginger in there.
I like the eel sauce.
That's a lot, right?
Maybe we'll try a different method next time. I think it was Sophia's boyfriend Tyler. They had a sushi roll gun or something.
What?
I don't know if I showed you the video or not, but they had like a sushi roll maker.
We'll watch that video after.
I mean, I'm satisfied. Yeah.